When used in the right proportion of healthy lifestyle changes, certain beverages are more suitable than others at promoting weight loss. Beverages like high-protein drinks, green tea, coffee and other weight loss drinks have been shown to boost metabolism, promote fullness and decrease hunger, all of which may encourage weight loss. Here are 12 drinks that are some of the best to include in your diet when trying to lose weight and get healthy. 1. Green tea is often associated with health benefits, and for good reason. Not only is it packed with beneficial antioxidants and other powerful nutrients, but it's also one of the most effective drinks for weight loss. Drinking green tea has been shown to decrease body weight and body fat in several studies. A review of 14 studies found that people who drank high-concentration green tea for 12 weeks lost an average of 0.44 to 7.7 pounds, 0.2 to 3.5 kilograms more than those who did not drink green tea. It should be noted that this benefit is linked to green tea preparations that contain high amounts of catechins, antioxidants that may increase fat burning and boost metabolism. Matcha is a type of green tea that contains a higher amount of catechins than loose-leaf green tea, which makes it a good choice for weight loss. Drinking green tea may help you lose weight by boosting metabolism and encouraging fat loss. 2. Coffee is used by people around the world to boost energy levels and lift the mood. This is because coffee contains caffeine, a substance that acts as a stimulant in the body and may benefit weight loss. Coffee can reduce energy intake and boost metabolism, which may help you lose weight. One study in 33 overweight adults found that those who drank coffee containing 6 mg of caffeine per kilogram of body weight consumed significantly fewer overall calories than those who drank less caffeine or no caffeine at all. Caffeine intake has also been shown to increase metabolism and promote fat burning in several other studies. Coffee drinkers may have an easier time maintaining their weight loss over time, as well. Caffeinated beverages like coffee may stimulate weight loss by increasing metabolism, decreasing calorie intake and stimulating fat burning. 3. Water. Increasing your water intake is one of the simplest ways to improve overall health. Drinking a glass of water or more water may also benefit your waistline by keeping you full in between meals and increasing the number of calories you burn. Drinking cold water increases resting energy expenditure, which is the number of calories you burn while resting. 4. Apple cider vinegar drinks. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid, a compound that may stimulate weight loss by decreasing insulin levels, improving metabolism, suppressing appetite and burning fat. 5. Vegetable juice. Although fruit juice has been linked to weight gain because of artificial sweeteners, drinking vegetable juice may have the opposite effect. Consuming whole vegetables whenever possible is the best choice for health due to the high amount of fiber that is lost in the juicing process. Certain drinks such as green tea, coffee, and ginger tea may help boost metabolism, minimize hunger and increase satiety, all of which can facilitate weight loss. 6. Black coffee. Caffeine is a powerhouse when it comes to weight loss. This potent fat burner is found in the highest concentrations in black coffee. A standard cup of coffee typically contains twice the amount of caffeine as a cup of tea. Caffeine helps to boost energy levels, making your workouts more effective while speeding up the breakdown of fats. Drinking coffee can also help reduce caloric intake. One study published in the journal Obesity examined the impact of coffee on dietary intake. Researchers found that participants who consumed 6 mg of caffeine per kilogram of body weight ate far fewer calories than participants who didn't drink coffee. 7. Chocolate milk. Drinking a combination of carbohydrates and protein after a hard workout can help restore your energy and aid in building lean, metabolism-boosting muscle, but it turns out that you don't need a fancy recovery beverage to reap these benefits. After participating in a vigorous cycling session, cyclists who drank chocolate milk were able to ride 51% longer in a subsequent workout than those who drank a standard recovery beverage, a 2009 article in Applied Physiology, Nutrition, and Metabolism found. Plus, chocolate milk is cheaper and tastier than anything you'll find in a sports nutrition store. 8. White tea. White tea is dried naturally, often in sunlight, making it the least processed and richest source of antioxidants among teas, as much as 3 times as many polyphenols as green tea. A study published in the journal Nutrition and Metabolism showed that white tea can simultaneously boost lipolysis, the breakdown of fat, and block adipogenesis, the formation of fat cells, due to high levels of ingredients thought to be active on human fat cells. If there's such a thing as diet tea, this is it. And keep your waistline toned and tight, in record time, with these essential 29 best ever proteins for rapid weight loss. 9. Protein drinks. Protein is essential to feeling full and curbing hunger. When you feel full, you consume fewer calories and are less likely to graze or snack throughout the day. Research shows that protein works to reduce appetite by increasing hormones such as GLP-1 that reduce and suppress hunger. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition examined the effect of different proteins on weight management. Researchers discovered that whey protein is particularly effective in increasing weight loss while soy protein had little to no effect. Participants in the study who consumed 56 grams of whey protein lost an average of 5 pounds more than participants who consumed soy protein. The best thing about protein powder is that you can easily add it to any drink you want. Mix a scoop of protein powder with soy milk or almond milk before hitting the gym. The protein will help muscles recover after an intense workout and will keep you feeling full until your next meal. 10. Mint tea. Herbal teas are a great replacement for sugar-laden fruit juices that can add extra calories. It can also be used to replace high-calorie foods that you crave when you have a sweet tooth. One of the best herbal teas for weight loss is mint tea. This beverage is made by steeping mint leaves in hot water. Mint tea boasts a deliciously fresh flavor with a tingly finish. Peppermint tea helps prevent cravings thanks to its potent scent. Research shows peppermint aromas trigger chemical reactions in the brain that decrease feelings of hunger. Simply inhaling the fragrance of peppermint tea can help suppress appetite and inhibit cravings. Peppermint tea also helps to soothe digestive issues and enables the liver to break down fats more efficiently. 11. Ginger tea. Our Thai ginger tea helps suppress appetite and halt hunger. Ginger tea is made by steeping the root of the ginger plant in hot water. Ginger root tea offers a bold, spicy flavor that pairs well with a dash of lemon. This tea is famously known to treat nausea and other digestive problems. Ginger tea helps to suppress appetite and boost energy. This spice tea also contains high concentrations of vitamin C, magnesium and nutrients that streamline digestion and fat burning. Drinking ginger tea will help boost your immune system while improving digestion so you burn fat more efficiently. A study published in 2013 examined the effects of ginger powder on weight in rats. The results showed that ginger improved good HDL cholesterol levels while reducing lipids. Ginger also boasts anti-inflammatory properties that help increase blood circulation, which may help improve sports performance. For the best results, brew ginger tea using fresh ginger root or ginger root powder rather than tea bags. If the tea is too spicy for your palate, add a dash of soy milk or a slice of lemon to mellow out the piquant notes without adding too many calories. 12. Black tea is one of the best drinks for losing belly fat and body fat. Just like green tea, black tea contains antioxidants that speed up metabolism to help manage body weight. Drinking black tea can also help you feel full and cut back on snacking between meals. While tea catechins are the main driver behind green tea's weight loss benefits, antioxidant polyphenols are black tea's powerful agents. Black tea has a higher amount of polyphenols than green tea. These polyphenols include flavonoids, which are particularly useful for burning fat. A study published in the journal Molecules found that the polyphenols in black tea help to reduce calorie intake and stimulate the breakdown of fats. Researchers argue that black tea inhibits the absorption of lipids that are stored as excess fat. Black tea also promotes the metabolism of lipids and reduces oxidative stress that can lead to obesity. Replacing high-calorie beverages like soda and fruit juice with the drinks listed above is a smart way to cut calories and help you achieve your weight loss goals. If all this information interests you, then like, press the notification, comment or subscribe to my channel so that you will be the first to get information on my new release. Thank you for watching.